Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by Julio from Studio Suite. Julio, how are you doing today?
Feeling good. Thanks for having me, Alicia.
Of course, thank you so much for being here. In this video, you're going to be telling me a little bit about studio managers. So, these are the people who are really using the Studio Suite software. And I just want to ask you, what are some of the industries where you might expect to see a studio manager?
Absolutely. So some of the places where you would see a studio manager would be revolving around film studios, TV studios, broadcasting studios, audio recordings, or recording studios. All of these have in common denominator the studio manager.
Okay, great. So, what are some of the responsibilities of a studio manager then?
So there's many of them. So picture yourself managing an entire facility filled with people, equipment, and being partially responsible for all the content that's being created and delivered to your clients. So of course, you go into the office, you get into your computer, you have to look at your schedules, scheduling the people, creating tasks for your editors, for your engineers, and also sending emails out to your clients, keeping track of media assets, making sure that all the equipment is working right. If the AC goes off, you have to be able to repair it as well and create a task and a reminder for you. There's a million and one things that studio managers are responsible for. And Studio Suite pulls it all together in one platform so that nothing slips through the cracks and that your customers are happy.
Great. Well, my last question then just is, what is the biggest challenge that studio manager might face? And how does Studio Suite help solve that?
Yeah, absolutely. So the biggest challenge I would say is time management and resource management. So there's so many things going on all the time that it's like a hurricane. So if you're not organized, something's going to slip through the cracks. And if you have big name clients, they're not going to be happy about it.
Mm,
The industry and that we work with, it's very time sensitive. So when a deliverable is due, it's due. And it has to be of high quality and it has to be there. So Studio Suites helps you organize and keep track of all of your assets and resources to be able to deliver to your clients.
Wonderful. So yeah, if you miss one of those steps, that could really impact and throw a wrench in your entire production and everything that you have going on right now. Isn't that right?
Absolutely.
Right. So I think that this software is going to be wonderful for studio managers. And if that's something that sounds good to you, everything that Julio said, that sounds like something that you need in your job, you can find out more about Studio Suite. You can call them at the number on the screen, send an email to sales@studiosuite.com, or visit them online. Online, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial of the Studio Suite software, and make sure that you follow, like, and subscribe to them on social media. Thank you so much, Julio.
Thanks for having me, Alicia. Thank you, everyone.